Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download the X app, formerly known as Twitter, on your mobile device. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this tutorial is safe, simple and fully updated. First of all, unlock your device and make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, open up your App Store or your Google Play Store depending upon your device's operating system. Now, either way, go to the top of the screen and look for the search box, type down X and search. Look for this application from X Corp and then tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. So make sure to do that, and then your application download process will begin. This usually takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap on Open. Now you can go ahead and sign in with your existing account or create a new one. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the X app on your mobile device. Now you're ready to post, follow, and explore everything happening in the real time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.